guys, today it's another day of hiking and I am at Roodeplaat Nature Reserve. It's not the first time we come here, but you know what they say, there's something that the water does to you. I'm here, so I am still enjoying the views of the water. I've not gone to the trail, guys, but we'll see how the day will progress. So yep, this is me. We are here back with another vlog. When you see this vlog, it will probably be sometime in September because I've taken a rest from editing. Should I say editing or creating content? Yeah, because sometimes it's just a lot, you know. Here I am. Guys, I'm not gonna be doing a lot of explaining of the trail today. I just want to be on the trail because the purpose is to be on the trail. I'm just gonna enjoy this trail. This is such a beautiful trail, guys. I love it because of how it looks. This trail is gorgeous. This that you're seeing here is nothing compared to what we are still going to see. So let's go out, enjoy nature that God has given us. Let's go out, clear our minds. I'm so excited today, I don't want to lie. You know, being outside on the trail, it's something that is very close to my heart. I just have to connect with nature because I believe I am one with nature. So I'm a natural being. Not the first time you see this place, but then here we are, guys, back to this place again. Oopsie. So guys, I'm not alone. I'm with my people here. They are enjoying the view, clearing their minds before we start with the trail. So this one here.
Hi.
Hello. Hello. Hi, beautiful people. What are you doing here now? Whew. Gorgeous. Gorgy.
Let's go.
No mate. Hey, Tada. Start off the trail. It's just the beginning though, and we are hoping to finish around 2:30, which is in like 3 hours. So hopefully we get done by that time. One thing I like about this trail, it is under the trees, so there's a whole lot of refreshing shadows. Wait a minute. Eh. Oh. And oh, yang over body, I never know. Yo way. Ah, it's go weird, sir. We are on the edge. River bank. We have reached the half of the trail and we are on the other half now. This is the head. Yeah. There's a road on top there. So here we are coming to the fun part of the trail. So the trail has come out of the trees. We're in the desert now. The sun is on us. This is the fun part. You other people have strength, you know what? And you understand, Shem. Yeah. Hey, what's happening? Don't you really want? This is the point where the regret comes in. Yo, guys, why? You ask yourself, why do we hike? Because wow. But then it's a good pain, a beautiful pain. We have finished the 7K trail. The excitement is wow. We are happy, guys. Oh, it's done. So we did it within an hour or so, if I'm not mistaken. I respect the crew. Hashem, machimbira. For the eating, it's time for the eating. This is me. Snake wakanama. Yo, where was all that away? We are done, guys. Time to go now. One thing for sure, bottom line, please leave the place the way you found it. And we did that. I was sleeping. Woo! It was a lot. We took an hour for everything that we did at the picnic site. So it's around 3 in the afternoon. We are going home. Thank you for reaching this far into this video. I need to wash my hands. Can you open for me? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.